Hi, my name is Nicolay Grove. I'm a private banker at the Oslo Stock Exchange, and I found this company called Rana Gruber. It's a newly listed company. It's been around for decades, but it was listed this year on the Oslo Stock Exchange. It's a mining company that mines iron ore up in the north of Norway. It's valued at 2.7 billion euros. It looks this year to pay a dividend of a little less than 2 euros. The share is priced at a little over 7 euros, which makes no sense to me. Commodities are in demand. Prices all over the world are rising. There's no reason why iron ore should retreat back to previous levels. So, in order to find out more about this mining company, I'm getting in my car and heading up to Mo I Rana, which is north of the Polar Circle, to learn and meet management and see what they have to say. Daybreak, the open mine pit, operational until 2025 approximately. Then they have to move underground.
Men det her fryktelig stort volum, altså.
This is an old open pit quarry, which in a potential situation, which is also good for the environment, etc., it can be used to backfill with whatever's waste material you may produce. But it's an enormous site. It's an enormous site. Goes into this crusher, and it goes 180 meters down to be transported out. Look at these dimensions. Everything from the open pit mine is thrown into this one. And it's crushed and it's carried 180 meters to be transported out. Truly is scenic. Inside Rana Gruber.
Vi kjører ut nå. Skal den på båt? Hva kan du se maskinen? Her jo støvmassen. Ja. Her noe jeg vet om det.
This is magnetite. A dozen of these rolling. This is the gold fan principle. The heavier magnetite and hematite.
Det står her, det går helt til
This is iron ore coming straight out of the production. This is iron ore in my hand, and it's heavy. 65% iron. This is magnetite used for cleaning water. This is what's left of their inventory as of now. This is the rest where it used to be full of magnetite. Same here. Tent is all but empty. Happy days. Should be a good second quarter for the shareholders. In the background is Panama Max, destination Europe. With today's iron ore price, the cargo load on this ship is about 10 million euros, which is double what it was last year, approximately. This is what it's like every day in the north of Norway. Crystal clear sky. This is the best industrial viewing point in Mo i Rana. Look at that rainbow. And I think with today's iron ore prices, that there is a pot of gold at the end of that rainbow. Look at this rainbow. That's amazing. It's been a fantastic tour of the facility. I am more than impressed by machinery, by efficiency, and also by the hospitality. I'm just relatively, I'm what, 10th biggest shareholder, but still, I'm in it for the money. I'm not in it for the coziness and they welcome me into the office with the CEO and production manager. Grand tour, takes a day, at least half a day. I'm very impressed with what I've seen so far. Very impressed. Yeah, back in Oslo after my trip to Rana. Rana Gruber in first quarter paid 2.9 Norwegian and was then priced at 70 something Norwegian kroner on the Euronext Grove, Oslo Stock Exchange. I expect Rana Gruber to pay somewhere between 5 and 6 Norwegian for the second quarter, which leaves us with a total of nearly 20 Norwegian for this year at a share price of 70 something. That is just outrageous. There's no way that company should be priced at 2.7 billion Norwegian. That's 270 million euros. It's peanuts. Maybe that's why they don't get enough attention. Maybe that's why they don't attract enough of the more bigger players, because they are too small. And also Oslo Stock Exchange has limited traditions for mining companies in general. If inflation continues, which I believe it will, and we see commodities trading at maybe not new records every week, but at least will stay up there in around the 200 mark for iron ore. This company should be priced at maybe 10 times as much as it is priced today. From what they told me, they can dig in these mountains for a century. What limits upscaling production is the outlet into the fjord, deep water deposit. So one solution that others has used is to use old mining shafts to fill up, refill, backfill with leftovers from production. This is a huge investment, at least for a relatively small company. But if this continues and they can double production just by doing that, fine. There's there's no reason why they shouldn't do it. Another thing is they now produce iron ore as this fine grain material, like sand. If they turn that into ingots or small pellets, which can be used in the production of steel or iron, there's a lot more money in it. Norway has the benefit of hydropower, so this can be done almost or totally CO2 free, which is important today. I think it's the way to go for Rana Gruber to expand, but unfortunately for myself as a shareholder, I don't think I will be able to take part of that, because this company priced at 270 million euros will be bought up long before that. There's no way this will go under the radar for long. With the dividend for the second quarter, this share should more than double in price. And just imagine if they pay for 21, almost 20 Norwegian for the year in dividend. That means if you buy the share at 100, you get 20%. If you buy the share at 200, you get 10%. Yeah, you can do the calculations yourself. Which means this is a bargain. I think what's limiting people or preventing people from buying is people don't know about the company. It's new on the stock market. It's been around for decades, but it's new on the stock market. It's a mining company. People are skeptical to mining companies. People should be skeptical to all companies, especially on the stock exchange. And the total value of the company is only 270 million euros, which means it's too small for the bigger players to look at. But there's no way this can go under the radar for long. Absolutely no way. Anyways, it's been a fantastic trip. I learned a lot. Great scenery. Hope you enjoyed the video. And until next, I'll do this again. Definitely. This was fun. You know, driving around, being welcomed by management, and you know, putting them to the test. They wouldn't go on video. I understand that. Maybe next time. We'll see. We'll see if I establish myself as an critical shareholder, curious of what's going on in the various companies. Maybe people will invite me. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Until next time.